Ángela, mire, espérame. Si quiere, just a second, guys. Talking to my cleaning lady. All right, how are you? Light as. So I have a couple of things here. The first one is shorts on the pound yen. I maybe have some longs on the S&P 500, but the pound yen is the one that I dig. For the time being, I'm going to place this one. I am going to place the pound yen shorts. Now, what do I see here? Pretty simple. I see here a couple of things. I see a break of the structure, a change of character. The market changed its character here, failed to make a new swing high. So we do have a change of character here. The market has changed from bearish to bullish. From bullish to bearish. We have a break of the structure here, confirming said new trend here, and I am going to place these shorts at the 160.80, like this. Stop losses above these highs, guys. Targeting here this fair value gap at the 159, etc. So, uh-oh, my computer froze or my mouse froze. I don't know. My mouse fucking froze. There you go. So let me place this, send it to my VIPs, etc. bitches. Sorry. Right, so 150. My entry is just below this imbalance right here on the 160.80. 160.80, just below the imbalance. My TP is just at above the this last imbalance at the 159.68. Uh, Stop losses above the highs, of course, I told you. And the entry is a key. Right, so I am trading a 5.2R. I don't know why it says different here. Oh, yeah. So 5.7R because I do want to get filled, so my entry is above this week. Uh-huh. So I'm going to risk 0.65% on this trade. Enter. There you go. So any thoughts about that? I'm sending this to my VIPs though. So, be right there with you guys. I need to send this to my fucking VIPs, right? So does it make sense to you? We also we also have liquidity being built up here. I want this to get taken out, etc., etc., etc. Pretty clear, pretty clear setup to me. That is also the New York session high. So I'm expecting a sweep of those highs and then a continuation fucking lower. Maybe to test the Asian session lows. Who the fuck knows? We're going to see. Maybe I'll move my targets lower. So, any questions, guys, about this? I'll be right there with you, mates. So my entry is exactly at the 160.79. 160.79. 160.79. My 60.79. My stop loss is at the 160. Uh, Hold on. 160.98. And my targets, I'm going to place them at the Asian session lows, actually. Uh-huh. At these Asian session lows, that would be at the 159.37. So that, my friends, a good one. That risk is 0.65, 0.65%. I need a bigger lot here. So hold on. Uh, Pending order, sell limit. So my first target would be here at the 159.86. That's what I'm going to do. 159.86. I'm going to divide my trade by two. Place. No, actually would be here. 159. My first target should be here at the previous lows, right? For about a 4.3 R. No, 3.7, 3.9 R. Right, I'm gonna show you exactly how my trade looks, mates. TP1. In just a second, guys. Uh, TP1 159.37. 159.37 for a 1R. No, 3.9R. And the TP2. Jesus, I'm asleep. TP2 uh, at the 159.37 for what is this? 7.5R. My risk is 0.65% or so. I don't care. Right there, mates. So I'm gonna show you with the account that tracks all the VIP trades how this trade looks like. There you go. Yes, the BTC swing trade got triggered today, mate. Whoa! Finally. And everybody is in that one. So this is how this trade looks like. Now, if I don't get paid to promote this, but if you look at this here, this is called the Risk Calculator app. It costs like $10 a month. Buy it. It's an insane deal. So basically, this is how my trade looks. Pretty cool. Let's have a look at that Bitcoin. It got triggered today. The Bitcoin got triggered today exactly to in the middle of that 4 hour imbalance. I got triggered Bitcoin short. Pretty cool. I'm going to notify everybody about this Bitcoin. Thank you, market. Also, thank you, or die. So this is the first one. I'm going to tag it blue because I do have a pending order. I have Bitcoin should be tagged green. And we're going to talk about the U.S. equity market. Uh, yeah, it's all about patience. It's all about Patience, mates. Uh, uh, uh. So, did I have a did I send this free signal to the yeah. All right, everybody. I'll be right there with you. I'm just complying with everybody. Right. So, let's continue, mate. Um, let's have a look at some equity markets. This is the 5 minute chart on the S&P 500. I don't see anything quite appealing here. This is the Nasdaq and the Dow. I'm gonna tell you right now, I see absolutely nothing good here. I'm gonna wait for the open. Maybe we come back here and test, the London lows. Who knows? Very possibly we're going to start going higher on the S&P 500. So, I have a couple of things that I wanted to do on the S&P 500. I had this long setup here on the S&P 500, but I want to wait for the open, right? There's not too many imbalances left in the market. We do have this weekend gap right here, left on field. I'm going to show you here. Here's the fillage on that gap. We might come here to fill the gap and then come back up. So I need to wait, right? I need to wait and see what happens. So the casino opens in 11 minutes. So if you have any questions about that, you know, about the pound yen short, now it's a good time to ask. I'm going to record the video for my VIPs though. All right, traders, why don't we talk about this pound yen short that I just sent? It's quite simple. I'm looking at a break below the London lows right here. So that means that I am looking for shorts. But not only that, right? You can see that price broke with the last higher low, I'm sorry, creating a change of character in this market. Now we also broke with the structure here, meaning that the short bias in this market is completely and utterly validated. Also, there is a buy side liquidity being built up that has been built up here, just below the imbalance that I am looking to trade. Right here, if you notice, this is the inefficiency in the market that I'm looking for price to fill. So my entry would be at the fill of that imbalance. Might get a little bit of a drawdown. Really doesn't matter. I want to get filled on my positions. And my first target is at the first structure lows, and then I'm targeting the Asian session lows. So that is, my friends, the video that I sent to my VIPs on every single one of my trades. Come on, man, ask me some questions. If not, I'm going to shut this down. What about Aussie? I hate when people say that. I don't know if you are new here at Athlete Thang, but I hate it when people just put Aussie on the chat. I'm not gonna look at that. Why don't you tell me what you're looking at? Maybe we can have a clear and smart discussion. Hi Orlando, TP1, TP2 same on GBP Japanese yen. Oh shit, thank you. God damn it, I'm sorry. As many of you know, I'm dyslexic and I struggle with this. Uh, Shit. 160.021. 160. My TP2 is 160, mate. 160. TP2 is 160. You know what? I'm not going to send this as a free signal, but I will send the thought process on the trade to the free channel. One 160. All right, so we're good here. Pretty happy with this Bitcoin getting triggered, guys. I'm gonna show you again. I don't think I have it anymore, but yeah, this is basically that imbalance that I was trading here. Pretty big ass imbalance. Just got triggered. My stop losses are above the imbalance highs. Let's see what's happened. And you know what I think also is that price already ate up all of the liquidity here. So I am risking on this trade 1%. No, about 0.65% or so. I don't remember. Uh, right. Oh, this is Bitcoin. Uh, yeah, it's gonna be pretty hard. Let's have a look at gold. Fucking gold. All right, so gold. Couple of couple of good-looking golongs, maybe lower. Let's wait and see what happens with this market. I don't see a clear entry in gold. Yeah. Let's wait also for the S&P 500. We do have this pound yen short active with all 3-minute chart. There you go. Like this. This is my entry. This is calling. This is looking gorgeous. Gorge. Hello, Orlando. USD, also USD sell, long USD CAD. What do you think? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Hello, Rewind. Can we take a look at the pound US dollar 1 hour chart? Could you have a look at oil, please? What about Euro USD? Awesome. Now we're fucking talking. Thank you. Now we're fucking talking. Let's have a look at crude oil. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Crude oil. I love that fakie. I love that fakie above the oh man, I missed this one. But maybe we can have a pullback, right? Entry. I love that fakie above the London highs. Um Here, where is that change of character, guys? The real change of character, in my opinion, is here. The last higher low change the character here. We haven't had a clean break of the structure yet in this market. But let's have a look at some imbalances that we might be able to trade. I don't like to go below the 2-minute chart or so. Listen to me, mate. Yes, we might get something short here, but I don't see anything at all that could comply with what I'm looking for. Let's have a look at Brent. Same thing in Brent. Right. All right. So a couple of order blocks, heavy order blocks. Yeah. Let's wait. I mean, let's wait and see how this market develops. But I'm gonna target red because it's hot, man. It's hot. Red. Where's the red? And the Aussie USD, ooh, shisha. Yeah, shorts on the Aussie USD are looking very good. Um, Look at this. This imbalance remains to be filled. This could, I mean, I don't see a short opportunity per se because the structure in this market remains bullish. We haven't had any break of any change of character or break of the structure that it's too choppy. It has been too choppy for the past two sessions, right? So I don't like it. The GBP USD, on the other hand, we could be looking for very good long opportunities right here at the 121. 45. Yes, rewind. I mean, I'm already long. I'm already short Bitcoin, right? I'm already short Bitcoin, so I definitely could do it. I will do it. If you want, I'll do it today afterwards. We are how much? We are 1 minute away from the casino open. Euro USD. Oh, God damn it. That was hot. Oh yeah, Euro USD. Most definitely we'll be looking for longs here around the oh 07. Oh yes, this is looking phenomenal actually. Euro USD longs are looking good. This is hot too. Oh boy, this is hot. Looking for longs here to the session highs for about a 3.7 R. All right, so I'm gonna come back to the Euro USD. Gold. Yeah, I don't have a trade for gold today. S&P 500. Let's wait and see. The casino opens in about 15 seconds. So heads up to that. I don't trade the EuroCAD, mate. All right, let's do it. Come on. Blim, 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 blim. All right. More likely than not, we're going to come down. There you go. We're going to come down towards this on-field gap here. If we break with these lows, I'm going long here at the 39.06 for about, yeah, this would be my trade, at least for about a 4R or so. This, if we break with these lows, this is just sell side liquidity, mates. Here you go. This is going to be my trade. Yep. Come on, the pound yen needs to go all the way about here. Who knows if this is going to play out, but this is the only way that I would, in fact, trade that market to the upside. Oh, most definitely. Yeah, most definitely. This would be the only way that I would trade the S&P 500 to the upside. Actually, I'm going to place that order. I'm going to place that order. Maybe I'll just delete it later, but I will place it nonetheless. Um, so it's on the SPX, right? It depends on what CFD your broker allows you to trade the S&P 500 on. For this account is the SPX 500, right? So I will I will set my penny order here at the 39.06. Oh boy. Now, actually, look, just have a look at this candle. Uh, would be a waste of time me doing so. There you go. It's about to break with the highs. Yeah. Well, you know what? It didn't get to my entry, so that is utterly fine. Now, Euro USD was the other one, right? Euro USD. Yeah, I mean, the Euro USD needs to come down to. I wouldn't, and I'm not. Most definitely, I am not trading that high of a move Now this I'm going to place right at the middle of this imbalance, looking good. My stop loss is below that trend low. This is looking phenomenal. Uh, what I do not like about this is that um, you know, it's not at a premium. Let me show you what I mean when I say something. It's not at a discount. I'm sorry. 5 minutes. So, here's the dealio. You have to, I'm gonna show you this. One, two, right? Hold on. This is how I calculate my power buy zone. There you go here. And this will be just to calculate where the premium and discount zones are. Here, boom. Uh-huh. Apply. Oh, shite. Save as. Um, all right. Equilibrium. All right. So here you go. Yes, it is at a discount zone, so I am going to place that. Now, Aussie USD, I think will resume its up and go long. What do you think? Let's have a look, mate. Let's have a look. Pretty sure that I can have a look at that. Yeah. Like I told you, I don't like how choppy it has been. There's no clear trend in the short term for me, so I am not trading that. The pound USD, same fucking thing. Gold, I think I saw something here. Um, oh boy. Again, choppy sessions. To me, that is no trade. So here's the thing, guys. Flag number one, choppy past sessions means no trade for me. I trade, uh, I trade, trending markets. Here on the pound yen, you can see clearly that we have a trend and a reversal. Now, don't fear not, child, that the pound yen is looking like it's going to reverse here. We don't get in, that's fine. But the highest probability trade or the smart money is going to be above this liquidity. Now, I was looking at the Euro USD, right? So here, you all guys saw that I saw that I did this. This is just a 50%. Uh, this is just a 50% Fibonacci line. Anything below the Fibonacci line is a discount. Anything below, above that 50% is premium, right? The 50% is the equilibrium on that move, right? On the move. So you want to be buying at a discount and you want to be selling at a premium. Um, and if my buy zone is is below, if my buy zone is below equilibrium, then it passes that flag, right? Because I don't want to buy above the equilibrium. That is not optimal. So I'm about to place this. Oh yes, I'm about to place it. I'm about to place it. And there you go. Here we are looking at a trending market, right? We're looking at a fucking trending market. Now, what do we have here? Um, we do have liquidity being built up here at the lows. Beautiful thing. We want that. And yeah, I mean, we want, I mean, and we do have that imbalance. We do have that imbalance here, placing my order at the middle of the imbalance right now, guys. On the Euro USD. Oh boy, have a look at this. Hold on, hold on, hold on, you to your horses. The S&P 500, my friends, god damn it, gave an opportunity to go long, or is giving us an opportunity to go long right here, which I am going to take. Here, I'm going to just risk 0.5% on this trade on the S&P 500 right here. Trading this imbalance, place, enter, right. This is a nice, I'm gonna send this to my VIPs very, very, very quickly. Buy limit. Oh, I didn't get triggered. Oh, you bitch. Um, 30. All right. I didn't get triggered at the 30.0550. Oh no. 39.05. 39.05. 50. Stop loss at 30, 39.02. And the TP. Oh, shite. Can you believe this? Hold on. I'm going to let it 39.20. Can you believe this fucking shit? Oh, man. Have a look at this. Just have a look at this. It didn't trigger me in. My buy limit is intact. It didn't trigger me in. It was so clear. Why? Oh man, this sucks. You know what? Let's have a look at at how wide the spread is here. No, it's not that wide. I don't know why it didn't trigger me in. Oh man, this sucks. You know, I missed it, so I'm going to delete it. Yeah, because if price comes back to my entry, it's not optimal anymore. So I will delete it. You know what? Sometimes I completely missed it. Sometimes this will happen, but let's move on. Let's move on to the Euro USD. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to place this on the Euro USD right now, guys. That sucks. But you know what? It's fine. It's fine. Euro USD. Now I'm looking at the Euro USD right now. This is just liquidity, guys. And yeah, hold on. I am going to 0.65%. That's my pending order. So I'm gonna do this with you. I'm gonna show you how this fucking thing works. It's amazing. It's amazing. So here's that imbalance that I want to trade, right? So I click here on pending order, right? I have a 0.65% risk, and then my entry is at the middle of that imbalance. My stop loss, my friends, is here below that swing low, and my target is here at the highs. And there you go, 4.3 R, and just enter it. Boom. It's that easy. Buy it. Buy it. Um, The pound yen seems like it's not going anywhere, but I'm still holding that. Let's have a look at that crude oil. Right, crude oil. Pretty nice. Oh, look at this. This is very good. Oh boy, this is looking phenomenal actually. Pretty, pretty much liking this setup in crude oil. 2 minute chart, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm digging this. Digging this. So, pretty possibly this would be something that I would trade. Something like this, guys. Pretty choppy market. It's not like my preferred market to trade, but yeah. Euro USD. I'm going to send this to my VIPs. It's a shame on the S&P 500. Right? Yeah. It's a shame. Sometimes sometimes this will happen. I didn't get triggered by less than a pip. Well, that's fine. Buy limit on the Euro USD would be, uh, hold on. So here's our trade on the Euro USD. Yeah. So, buy limit on the Euro USD would be at the 107.0. All right, 107.045. Stop loss at the 106.98. Uh, and a TP 107.30. So that gives me, let's have a look. Gives me a 4R. Right. Now, here's the trade of the pound yen. I can't go. Listen to me, guys. I am not going to I'm not going to place a manual short here just because I am afraid of missing on the move. No, I stay true to my um entry model, more so because we're still inside this box. This box is the New York session, guys. I'm going to leave this open. Maybe I'm going to get triggered tomorrow during the Asian session. Who the fuck knows? But I stay true to my entry model. Want to see what oil is doing? Uh, I might get something juicy here in crude. The risk to reward ratio here on crude is quite phenomenal, right? I shall place this. Maybe later. I don't know. I'm not convinced. S&P 500 just for the fun. Boom. Targets hit on the S&P 500. That sucks. But you know what? This sometimes will happen, guys. And if you can't handle, on-field trades, well, then you're not going to be able to make it as a trader. Now, let's have a look at what the Japanese yen market is doing. Yes. Uh, I mean, I don't see too much. I don't see too. Too many hot markets. At the moment. Uh, yeah. I'm going to stick with my pound yen short. I'm going to place this crude oil though, but I am going to also record that, you know, I'm going to record the Euro USD, the Euro USD. I'm going to record the Euro USD setup for my VAPs. Just hold on. Woo. Oh boy, this is not looking good. I mean, it's not looking good in the sense that if it breaks with the New York session highs, mates, I'm going to delete it. The pound yen is looking phenomenal though. Yeah, it's looking amazing, and we are at. Oh, fuck it. Right, hold on. Hello traders, why don't we talk about this Euro USD? Even though that I think or I see that the Euro USD is rallying at the moment, which means that if we break with this highs, I have to delete my pending order, right? But the idea here, of course, is not to be buying above equilibrium. The idea is to buy below equilibrium, right? This gray line right here is equilibrium. So, we do have this imbalance left on field, right? And this is the market in inefficiency that I'm looking to trade. Just below this liquidity that has been built up. My entry idea was a break below equilibrium, of course, taking out this liquidity and uh, entering at um, the fill of that imbalance. But it looks like I'm gonna have to delete that order. Anyways, anyways, I have to record this video for you to understand what I was looking at. And last but not least, crude oil. Oh, shite. uh, yeah. So, I am placing this short in crude. Most definitely, I dig it. Can you dig it? You know, we might have missed the boat here. Who knows? Um, no. What do you guys think? Right? I'm gonna let you. I'm going to let you uh, say something about this trade. All right, I'm deleting the Euro USD buy limit order. Yeah. Now deleting Euro USD buy limits. Most definitely deleting the Euro USD buy limit. So I'm placing this crude oil short. Yeah, and the pound yen looking very good. Here are the highs, all the New York session, and the last trade. I mean, if I had been triggered on my on my S&P 500 long, I wouldn't be looking at anything else. to be completely honest. So that's the only reason that, or that's the only thing that is keeping me from placing this trade on crude oil, because I just wouldn't. But this is very clean. Yeah, oh, this is very, very clean. Hi, Orlando. How the TP2 could be closest to the entry, respect the TP1 and Java. Let me see. Did I fucked up again? TP1 is shit. It's the other way around, man. It's the other way around. Of course, the TP2 is 160, TP1 is 159.37. It's just, I mean, it's obvious, right? All right. All right. So there you go. The pound yen is breaking with those highs, taking out this liquidity. Now, let's wait for that imbalance to get filled. Like I told you, we might get, or I might get, in a little bit of a drawdown on the trade, in the sense that I am taking it below that imbalance, but I want to get filled, right? So that's the only reason. Now, this, my friends, this is looking good. But that will be only for my VIPs. Thank you for joining me, guys. Heads up to this. I'm not going, if you're not a VIP, you're not going to receive anything else from me. But if you want to be a VIP, the link is below. I'll send you the link right now. Also, this is what we do. I don't know why you are still thinking about it. All right, go subscribe. It's only 40 bucks, 40 pounds a month. It's nothing. So go ahead. Cheers.